Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add an animated GIF to an Outlook email. So first, click New Email at the top left. That opens a blank message window. Click inside the body area where you want the animation. Now go to the top ribbon and click the Insert tab. This is the same menu that holds tables and attachments. If you're on the web or the new Outlook, you won't have this ribbon, so look for the image icon on the bottom toolbar next to the paperclip. On the desktop version, click Pictures. If it offers a drop-down, choose this device. The file picker opens. Navigate to the folder where your GIF is saved. I'm using Downloads, and the file is welcomebanner.gif. There's a faster route too. You can just drag the GIF file from a folder window straight into the email body, but I'll stick with the menu because it works the same everywhere. Check the type column here. You want it to say GIF image. If it says something else like MP4 or WebP, Outlook will insert it, but it won't animate. Renaming alone doesn't fix that. Glance at the size column too. Mine is just under 2 megabytes, which is fine. If yours is over 5 megabytes, some corporate mail filters will strip the animation or bounce the whole message, so shrink it before you insert it. Select the GIF and click Insert. Outlook drops it into the body right where the cursor was. And now the thing that catches everyone. It looks like a static picture. That's normal. Outlook composes in a static preview, but the animation is fully embedded. The recipient will see it loop. If it's too large, click the GIF once and drag a corner handle inward. Always use a corner handle, not a side one, so the proportions don't stretch. You can drag it down to a reasonable width like 3 inches, and it'll still animate. If you want it centered, keep the GIF selected and press Ctrl-E, or click the center button on the Picture Format tab. While the GIF is still selected, look up at the ribbon. A new tab called Picture Format appeared. Click that, and in the Accessibility group you'll see Alt Text. Click it and type a short description like Welcome Banner Animation. That helps screen readers, and it's easy to skip but worth doing. Now that you've done it the clear way once, there's a faster route for next time. Close this draft and click Don't Save when it asks. Open a folder window with your GIF file, then click and drag the file straight into the body of a new email. It drops in at the cursor, animated just the same, and skips the Insert tab entirely. If the GIF doesn't animate for a particular recipient, it's usually their email client blocking it. Outlook and Gmail support animated GIFs, but some older desktop clients show only the first frame. That's not something you can fix on your end, so attach the GIF as a regular file as a backup if you're not sure. Then like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.